In this lecture, we will talk about our supplementary content further. Here you can see our contextual border. We use the measurement units more than our competitors, and you also use more measurement units than your competitor because it is the positive things. Whenever we use the measurement unit, it means you are using the different type of entity, or you can say the different type of specific unit. So whenever the unit changes according to the neural matching, you opening the new connections to the different type of entities as well. We have the different researches, journals, or the universities in that area too. If we go to the next question, for example, why is electrolyte loss related to water intoxication? I thought this electrolytic or electrolyte loss question is in the root, but it is present in our this specific content brief. In the previous lecture I talked about it, so sorry for that. And here, for example, we tell that describe the connection with a milligram. Let's read. Electrolyte loss is related to water intoxication as the excess water dilutes the body natural storage of salt, including electrolytes. Here we use the salt with the word electrolytes. In the another article, you also remember we use the word salt with electrolyte. Certain high TDS mineral water or sports drinks can be help athletes replace electrolytes if they suspect they are overhydrated during physical activity. Journal article from Cleveland Clinic Foundation notes that the water intoxication has progressed too far. These drinks will not help. The only rapid method for rising the serum sodium concentration is the administration of 3% saline. Here, one important thing is that we use these specific quotation marks in this sentence. Why is because sometimes we take the sentence from the researches and we put in here with the quotation marks, and we refer because to the research in this specific style. And here we give in the image the roles of electrolytes with the different, you can say, formula: sodium, calcium, potassium. Here the next question that is have two different events. What is when is water intoxication common? We protect the question format that we called modality. Water intoxication is common in scenarios with high energy and etc. We again use different researches like BBC reported, or we also use different numerical values, dates or the weights, and different type of measurement units that shows this is the actual research, not the AI generated fluff. In the next, how to calculate correct water intake, that is the specific contextual vector. When asked how to calculate one correct water intake, physical therapist and clinical supervisor Jennifer Stone, this is the most important entity. Again, here we give if not exercising and if exercising, that is relevant to this specific article. And again, it is connected here with a lifestyle exercise, and then it connect with this specific part. And again, here we give the context that is also water intake calculator. We use the different types of anchor text of the same article, and we all expand these specific things in this specific article. Here, what is the opposite of water intoxication? That is the antonym context, that is water dehydration. And this is another article which is written from the content with the same principles. Then the next is, can water intoxication be seen in animals? We directly answer in a yes or no, and we protect the question format. We here did not use all the animal names because you already know it is not our main context. So whenever in these specific situation you need to use the representative ones. So here we use the representative dogs or pets, and we use also images with the giving different values. Then we ask that, can water intoxication affect babies? Water intoxication can affect babies according to, here first we give the declaration, protect the question format, then we give the specific you can say research. Also again we give the quotation marks to refer the specific research. We use the specific expert names, and I also mention these specific things when you're giving your image or the video or any something in article. You also in the text form mention or communicate or refer or giving the contextual hint And here the last question, how to treat water intoxication. We give the list, definition and instruction list. So there are a lot of things in this article. Since I did not read every sentence, there is a lot of thing in that to be able to understand everything in that area. So in the next lecture we will talk about different article. Thank you.